everybody, it's Lady Led. Coming in from doing some harvesting. I got this bag full of overripe okra. It's entirely too big. It's too big to eat, most of it. Although I can kind of feel the spines. If the spines aren't too hard, I'll keep it. However, this one, y'all hear that? That's hard. That's hard. So here's why I still decided I had to take it off the plant, because I still, the plant is still blooming, right? But I can tell that the blooms are getting smaller and smaller and they're less and less. So if I take this off, this will cause the okra to continue to grow and flower. But if I leave it on, it's going to be a drain. And so I figure what I do is I string these up so that the seeds can go ahead and dry indoors. I'm going to put them in my garage, but they won't still be hogging up all the energy on my plant. I do have some when I went out there, y'all. This is just about to show y'all how bad I've been slacking on this okra. I did have one that was totally ready. Y'all hear that? It's got a little bit more drying to do. I'm not going to pop these open just yet. But y'all hear that? This one is, now this is right. This is ready. This is ready to be some seeds. So that I don't let these go to waste, because I'm not going to eat them, I'm going to use this technique that I saw, I don't know, somewhere on YouTube. And I've tried it before and it worked, so I'm going to do it now. You basically just take a needle and some thread, and I'm going to hang these up in my garage. So it's super simple. I'll show you what it looks like. I'm gonna take this big giant one. You hear nothing right now, but in a few weeks it'll dry out and it'll look like this. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna string my needle through here. Oh my goodness, that's so hard. I need muscles. You gotta be careful because you don't want to hurt yourself on this side. There we go. So basically, I'm going to have a few. I'm going to put a few, have them hanging up like this. Now I'm just gonna make a knot. All right, I've done about 7. Check out my okra necklace, y'all. Oh, that's so cute. I'm gonna go hang these in the garage. All right, as you can see, I've already got a couple of other okra necklaces. This one I hung a few weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and it's all ready. You can hear that? So this one is on its way. This is another one they haven't started yet. Now I'm just gonna hang them here, and I'll come back in a few weeks. Honestly, y'all, this is probably all the okra seeds I will ever need. So what I may just end up doing, if I have some other super giant okras, I'm probably just gonna give them to the chickens as snacks, or I may even just compost them. It just depends. I don't know. I might make some okra water. I don't know. Try it out. But yeah, so we had an abundance of okra. It's still out there producing, y'all. And guess what? I'm not going to complain. I'm gonna freeze some. We've been eating it. Oh my goodness, it's been so good. So this is what I'm doing to make sure I get as many seeds as I can, because you know I got to have my okra. So y'all, that's me saving my okra seeds. Y'all let me know how y'all do it. If there's a better way, quicker way, I don't know. So I wanted to take a minute to show you how many seeds you might get from one okra, just so you can see and not be discouraged that even if you just save 1 or 2, you will have more than enough seeds for next season. Y'all hear that? That means it's ready. I want to crack this one open because I want to show y'all what the seeds look like that you need to be saving, and how to know if the seeds you have aren't ready just by looking at them. Usually if you can hear this, they're ready. Then the next look is, what color are they? I'm just gonna kind of twist. That's probably an easier way to do this, but I twist it and then I pull it apart from these edges. But I gotta be gentle because these seeds will pop out of here. Oh yeah, all of these so far are ready. All of these are ready. If they're black and they're dry, I'm sorry, I lost some. If they're hard, none of them are squishy, and they're black, they're not light brown or white, y'all, these are okra seeds. And now all I need to do is get them stored up and ready for next spring. Oh yes, see, just one okra lets out more. Let me show y'all how many seeds this thing has in it. Oh, I'm losing them. Each little section has tons of seeds. I'm only halfway done. Check that out. Still losing them. Yeah, when they fall out like that, you're good to go. Not bad for one okra, right? I couldn't plant this many okras. I wouldn't have space for this many okra plants next year. And I've got tons more okra seeds. So that's it, y'all. I just wanted y'all to see what you can do with your okra. If you have to cut it off early, you can still harvest your seeds. You can still save them, and you only need really 1 or 2, and you will have your whole next season seeds. It's mid-October, and I just can't even believe that this okra is still producing. Look at it. It's some I done gave up on trying to reach that, y'all. Look at that. sheer craziness. At first I was kind of draping it over, and then I just said, I'm gonna just get to the ones I can reach. So yeah, I've been slacking a little bit. I do have to come out here and harvest some, and I will. But y'all, this okra has been good to me. So I just want y'all to see it. So it's Lady Led, y'all, and I'm out. Sheer craziness.